go alright too. Something like that. What's this one? So what we do there.
G'day guys, welcome to Outdooring. Today we're fishing a little creek using this little Rapala minnow. I've got Murray here with me.
Hey boys.
We're gonna see how we go, have some fun, tune in. Alright, here's first cast of the day.
And you have an idea.
Alright. Oops, cooked her. My lure's just spinning, it's not getting that vibration. Alright. Chop this one up. Just a little red selter. Oops. Uh-oh. I think that's... Oh, got it out. There and there.
Big fish come out from under that bank.
Yeah. Do you reckon we could get to the pylons over there?
Yeah, he probably good. Get something in and under it.
Yeah.
See.
Alright, this is very sketchy.
Yeah, no, he's not gonna. I don't think
But have faith. That was the tiniest cast. Oh, not bad, not bad.
She's spinning, eh?
Oh. Current's a bit fast, eh?
Oh.
Did ya? You sure it was a hit?
Not 100%. I didn't see the fish. I don't want to play. That was a good fish. That was a fish.
Yeah. No, you cast some. Oh, my sunnies are fogging up. I'll have a cast. Okay, so we've seen fish. Murray's on, lads. Oh, he's taking you in there. Yeah, reel him in. I'll net for you. He looks like a decent size.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
That's a good fish.
Nice, Murray. He might have been the one that hit me. Ooh, he's swimming upstream. Oh, rainbow. That's a good fish. Oh, almost. No, he doesn't like the net. Got him. Let's go, boys.
Let's go. We're on the board. Yeah. Oh.
Lecture on how this is private property.
Yeah, right.
I'm not allowed to go up. How I've been trying to do the creek up and river. And there's platypus in there.
I'm Luke, and this is Murray.
My name's Murray.
I'm Rod. Where are you? Rod, where are you from?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. We haven't fished there before.
You look pretty smart to be from Lithgow. They won't hurt you.
Hello, boys. Hello, puppy.
Coco and Billy.
Hello.
And these are that's diesel and these are the 6
Oh,
bucks.
right. Hello,
I'm
puppy.
just doing some renos here. I live in Owen, so
Sure. Thank you very much.
you're all right.
Thanks for that, mate.
Make sure you wipe your boots before you just come in.
Sure.
I'm joking. Come on. So here,
Yeah,
you can get in there. Look.
of course.
Hello,
Hello, mate.
I don't know. You know the trout swim upstream,
Yeah.
and we saw a few there. Oh, they were
Oh,
that long. We saw a few there day before last.
Yeah.
Down there. All right.
okay, awesome.
Alright, thank you for that.
Thank you.
Okay, see how you go. And
Yeah.
Righto.
Any time you want to come, just walk through.
Yeah.
Our
Right, thank you
our
for that.
lounge room, you do all right.
Righto.
Righto.
The other way too is that you can.
Yeah.
I might have to be bush, but if you go down under it, you can fish anywhere along here.
Okay.
It doesn't matter where, you know, but you don't want to.
Yeah, we don't
I thought you were pretty good actually putting up with him. I'm thinking, oh no.
Yeah, we just sat there and
Next minute,
listened. Yeah.
one day he's going to get a punch on the nose. He's put a few people off there. One day somebody's going to go, you know,
Yeah.
I wouldn't do it. I'm not recommending it. But just under the bridge,
Yeah.
you can walk. Oh, there's a bit of a track through there. I'm trying to put a bit of a track through there.
All right.
You can walk. Don't take the boat out because you know you're.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right,
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Right.
Take care.
Have a look. Which way should we go? That way?
Yeah, probably. Good. How funny is that? one bloke kicks you off, rack off, no, you can't go here. The other bloke, oh yeah, no, it's all good. So where we were fishing, guys, another bloke came along, farmer, told us to leave and everything. I'm sure there's laws or something against it, but we don't really want trouble. But then old mate here has come along and yeah, been really nice to us, and he's let us fish along here. So may as well have a cast. Right as you caught that fish too, eh? Murray just caught a good fish. It was 35 centimetres. Not bad for these parts. That's funny. I just got smacked, guys. Territorial rainbow or something.
That was a nice fish.
It was. It's probably about the same as yours.
Maybe he missed it. I don't know how he missed it.
Yeah. Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy. This is bold. This is where we just were. Oh, oh. Bail arm. Ah. Now I look like an idiot. Oh. And I filmed it.
Free.
Oh, this is sketchy.
Oh, now we're wet.
This is... No. Wait, it was only 1 foot. No, it was 2. Damn it!
Look at your hands. Look at your legs. We'll take your rod.
Ah.
You right?
Is my rod alright? Well, we copped it.